Yo, YouTube, if you're searching for the best Doordash coupon code in 2026, then look no further than this video. I'm going to be showing you how to get the best promo code for Doordash, and this is actually going to give you $100 account credit. I spent a long time searching on Google, and I tried all of the codes available, guys. Most of these, like 50% off codes, there's so many terms and conditions. Like there's maximum savings, there's minimum order amounts. Most of these are for like new users as well. I'm going to be showing you a Doordash coupon code for $100 account credit. So you enter the code into your account. Oops, low power mode. And it is going to credit you $100, and this is for new and existing users as well. So use your mobile phone, guys. So just grab the mobile that you have Doordash on. It makes it a lot easier to copy the code across to your app, and go to www.crashcoupons.com. Make sure you can spell C-R-A-S-H, crash, C-O-U-P-O-N-S, crashcoupons.com. Now, this website is mostly game codes, to be honest, guys. They do have other codes like Uber Eats and stuff that I discovered, but what you need to do is use that search bar and search for Doordash, and it's going to bring up the promo codes page here, guys. Now, there is only one code, so it's pretty easy to do this. Just scroll down, and here it is. This is a Doordash account credit code. So this is a promo code that you can enter into your account, and it is going to just supply you with $100. And that there's no minimum spend or anything, guys. You can spend this however you want. It just gives you credit to use. And these are limited codes. So as you can see at the top there, it says 562 codes remaining. Now, because this is a $100 credit, it does limit one code per person. So obviously you can't do this 100 times and get, what's that, 10,000 or whatever. You can only do this once. So click on this button, and basically this is going to tell you how to unlock your code. Now, I have already done this, so I don't want to do it again because it does limit one code per person, but you need to complete 2 of the tasks below to get your Crash Coupons code. So basically, guys, what this is a list of tasks. They're all completely free, and I guess these sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they can give us these codes. But yeah, they're really easy things, like answering surveys like this one. You click on it, and you just answer some questions. Like you see, it doesn't even matter how you answer them, but it does matter that you input your valid email for this one, because it does verify you as a real person, and also emails you a copy of your code. The ones at the top tend to be the easiest, but there are things like mobile apps and games and stuff, so just make sure you do follow the instructions. You can see there is some instructions below each task. So complete 2 of those, and what it's going to do is going to send you back to Crash Coupons. And obviously I've skipped forward, but if you do 2 tasks, your Doordash coupon code will be fully revealed here, and you can grab it from the box, enter it into your app or in the website, and that is going to give you $100. So this is definitely the best Doordash promo code working right now in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons, and yeah, search for the Doordash page, select the credit code. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.